Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Steve, also known as Super EAS Fan 24. You can call me by whichever you want. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in the longest time. It's been about 5 months since I last posted a video on here. I sincerely apologize for that. I've just been real busy with personal life and stuff like that, new job and whatnot, and also there hasn't really been much in terms of EAS alerts. So hopefully that changes, and hopefully I can get on a more consistent upload schedule, if you want to put it that way. Um, but yeah, thanks for continuing to watch my videos, and thank you for the 2,000 subscribers. Honestly, I didn't think my channel was gonna get this popular. I really appreciate it. Yeah, just thanks again, guys. You guys are amazing. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So thanks very much for that. Um, but yeah, enough rambling. Let's get on to the video here. Now, this video is from the stuff that I recorded on November 5th, 2017, which was only, as of this video, it's a couple days ago. There was so much amazing shit going on during that time. I received at least 20 to 25 alerts, but because I was at work for a good chunk of the afternoon, I was only able to record 6 alerts. But in my opinion, that's better than nothing. I was also able to get some really amazing storm footage as well. So hopefully you guys will get a kick out of that. That moment, I mean, all those strong winds, straight line winds that occurred was just amazing. It was amazing yet terrifying at the same time, and it was just an intense experience, and probably nothing that I've ever experienced really before in my life when it comes to chasing and spotting storms. But yeah, so hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Once again, thank you for 2,000 subscribers, and I will try to get on a more consistent upload schedule. So yeah, thanks very much again for watching, and hopefully you enjoy this video.
The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Willow, Chiconaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the Lake Chiconaut beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 514, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Willow, Chiconaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the Lake Chiconaut beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 514 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Willow, Chiconaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the Lake Chiconaut beyond 5 miles from shore. Here is an urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, central Lorain County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Avon Lake to near Lodi, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour
Jesus
wind gusts.
Christ, dude.
Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Wadsworth, Grafton, Richmond, Lodi, Creston, Chippewa Lake, North Olmsted, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina. The urgent weather message. Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Lake Wichita to Ripley, New York, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Ashtabula, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Erie, Geneva on the Lake, Conneaut, Fairport Harbor, and Ashtabula. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is an urgent message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. The heavy rainfall combined with poor drainage, especially in urban areas, could lead to flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton, and North Olmsted. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Lorain. The urgent weather message. The urgent weather message for the following county: Cuyahoga, Ohio.
Oh crap.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over near Cleveland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cleveland Heights, Warrensville Heights, and Highland Hills around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Euclid around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bradnell, Lyndhurst, South Euclid, Richmond Heights, East Cleveland, Beechwood, University Heights, Shaker Heights, and North Randall. The urgent
Eh?
The harder county.
tornado warning for eastern Standard Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over near Cleveland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Heavy damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cleveland Heights, Hill Heights, and Highland Hills around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Euclid around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bracknell, Lyndhurst, South Euclid, Richmond Heights, East Cleveland, Beechwood, University Heights, Shaker Heights, and North Randall.
Holy shit! You see that shit? We just had a tornado here, though. Lights are flickering. I can't even eat my damn lunch. Holy shit! I saw the. Oh my god! Look at that shit! I saw the breaker go off. Get a flashlight. We have a flashlight? I can't see shit. I have to turn off the tornado. That was. Holy shit.
It's gone.
Unbelievable.
You got flashlight on the phone.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get it though.
Wait here. I think it's over.
I can't get any alerts though. I saw the breaker go off. The transformer flashed.
Yep.
We got no power. Go get Lair. Go get Lair.
No, we're good. It's gone.
I felt heat. Ooh, this tree. Oh, there's a giant tree down. Oh shit. Giant trees down. Do you see that shit?
Yeah, took that power line with it.
That transformer too. That's why it arced.
That's what we were seeing.
Is it me or do the poles look like they're like leaning a bit?
No, they're always. This one might be more.
Yeah, that one is.
That's why we're going to be down for a while, I think. We got to have this heat, so.
All right.
Hope we're not too late.
Alright guys, so they're currently cutting down a tree that fell across the front of the driveway here. This is not my house, this is my grandfather's house. Power's out here. Their crews are out cutting down the tree here. It's still raining.